All right, polynomial graph example 5. So we write down the function. So we have y equal to minus 2, x plus 6, x minus 1, 4. So here basically means this one. All right, first information we will find is the x-intercept. So we set the y 0, so we copy the whole thing. X plus 6, 1 here, x minus 1, 4 here. So set equal to 0, set equal to 0, so you get minus 6, you get 1, so minus 6, 0, and 1, 0. Next, move on, we go and find out the y-intercept. So 0 plus 6 and 0 minus 1, 4. So end up we get minus 2, we get 6. Minus 1 power of 4, we will get positive 1. So we will get answer negative 12. So y-intercept is minus 12. So as usual, the graph. Okay, we're going to label the 3 points here. So the first point will be minus 6. So let's say it's here. And the second point will be 1. All right, and then we have minus 12. So somewhere down here. So minus 12. All right. And next information, we will go and find out the 0, the multiplicity, which is the m, and of course we are intended to find out the behavior of the 0. So the 0 is based on your x-intercept, so we have 2. First one minus 6, second one is 1. The multiplicity is based on the bracket, which is the exponent of the bracket, so we have 1. And the next one will be 4, so this is an even number, this is an odd number, so we know that this one is cross, and it's a straight line that cross, and this one will be touch. All right, so put a remark there at these two x values. So minus 6 is crossing, so I put there crossing. 1 is touch, so I put there a remark, so I know the graph will be touch over here. So next one, we will go and find out the end behavior. End behavior is y equal to your axn. So this one is based on these questions. Your a will be minus 2, and your n will be, here is 1, here is 4, so 4 plus 1, so it's 5. So minus 2 is negative, 5 is an odd number. So we know that the end behavior will be left side up, right side down. So put there, up, here, put down. Okay, information number 4, we will find out the degree, and from there we roughly can tell how many turns we can have. So degree is 5, your turns you have 4. Okay, so with all this information, we will actually go and find out the graph and complete the graph. Okay, so here is cross, so means it's a straight line that cross, so I know it's come down, and here definitely there will be coming up here, and then here is touch and turn around, since it's joined here, so it will be coming down like that. So complete the whole graph, make sure it's smooth and continuous. So here should be a straight line, not a curve that cross. So join here, come up, and then here you got a turning and come down here, so end up here. So this graph show how many turns. Let's do the counting. Number 1, number 2. So this graph only show you 2 turns, but is it correct? But we found that it have 4 turns, but the graph that we draw only has 2 turns, so it's correct. So basically one of the student misconceptions is that you must have 4 turns. No. So based on the degree, we found out it's 4. So the 4 here indicate that you can have maximum number of turn is 4. So you can have less than 4. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 turns are all possible. So 2 turns is one of the possibilities. So it's correct. But you cannot have 5, 6, 7 turns because this one predicted the maximum turns. All right. I hope you understand what I show you about all this working, the step required to draw a polynomial graph. I'll see you again in the next lesson.